We are camping for the night on the Denali. We found a great camp spot with a fabulous view. Here is our view. But it's also a great camp spot because... Bitsy, no!
Bring it back, Bitsy.
The dogs can play ball.
Bitsy, bring it over here.
And I don't have to worry about them being on the road. We're far enough from the road, except
Bitsy.
that Bitsy is determined to drop it down over the bank when we are not watching. I'll show you. She is right here. Bitsy, no! She wants to drop it over the bank. Give it to Daddy. You see the mountains and glaciers over there. Mount Hayes is right over that way. And here is our beautiful little spot. Nice campfire ring. Hi, honey. Finishing his book. That is the way we're going towards Paxson. There's Bitsy, trying to have us stop watching her. So we have enough room to have a campfire here. Here's the rig. And the road, there's Jet right there. They're both tired because I've been throwing the ball for them for 15 minutes, and they're pretty happy campers because they finally got some good exercise today. Hi, puppies. Yeah. But we have plenty of room. What I like is right here. We have plenty of room between the road over there and our camp spot. Little gravel pit here. We throw the ball over this way. Dogs are chasing it. And just a nice spot. Gorgeous views. Beautiful blue sky and sunshine. Yay! Not where we were planning to be today, but not too shabby.